going to be making ricotta cheese, and the teacher today is me.
I don't know how this works, but I'm super excited to be making cheese.
Boil the milk till it got to 140, and then dissolve the citric acid in 1/2 cup of water and add that to the milk. And we're gonna wait till it's about 190. Oh, the chunky part's over here.
Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this. Careful, careful. Don't forget you guys know. You guys can take it in turns if you can and come close to it. Is we're going to scoop using a spoon and putting whatever comes.
It's okay.